Okay, good morning-ish. July 27th, I think. It's Monday anyway. Alright, so I just got done making part of the back wall. And as you could see, yesterday after the rain stopped, I did the floor. So it's 3/4 plywood. It's on blocks. And the 16-foot 2x4s, and it's 8 feet wide. I'll be putting these windows on each side of it, and it's going to be hot today. So it's probably 80 something already. So it's about, I don't know, 11:30 in the morning. So I will get that back wall up, temporarily put it up, and then start depending on how hot it gets on the sides. So it's good. I got a great sized path coming off the steps, so that's nice. So in the winter I don't have too far to go. It is a beautiful day here today. Anyway, just a short clip. When I get the wall up, I'll do another shorty. Hopefully that'll be today. See how it goes. Till next time, God bless.